Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device down and removing any case or mount. This exposes the edges and ports where pressure or debris hide. Once done, wipe the display with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. This improves capacitive contact. Make sure to peel off any screen protector and inspect for hairline cracks or trapped particles under the glass. Those are common causes. If you see damage, stop and consider a replacement screen next. You now separate software from hardware. First, boot into safe mode or recovery. If touch works there, a third-party app is likely at fault, so uninstall recent apps. If not, update the device firmware or reinstall touch-related drivers. This resolves calibration and driver corruption. Next, if you're comfortable, open the device carefully and reseat the digitizer ribbon cable. A loose connector causes intermittent or total failure. Make sure to ground yourself and keep screws organized so you can reverse the process cleanly. You finish by testing and validating. After reseating or updating, run a touch diagnostic or calibration utility to verify multi-touch and edge responsiveness. This confirms repairs. If the connector and software steps didn't help, the final hardware move is replacing the digitizer or full screen assembly. This addresses dead zones caused by physical damage or failing components. If problems persist, test with a known good digitizer or seek a repair shop. A consistent bench test quickly tells you whether it's the screen or the mother.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.